This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp. Are you looking for an IT bootcamp? In your journey with TS4U, you will get workshops and tasks every week, hands-on practice, technical tests and tasks, show and tell, mock interview. And we get paid fully only when you get a job. You can get affordable student loan. Become eligible for free tuition. We offer industry-demanding IT boot camps. Join now and start your IT engineering journey today with TS4U.
So you said a word, non-functional testing. Can you explain a bit more about it, please?
Yes, so I have not actually done any non-functional testing. So in our environment, non-functional means the load testing, performance testing, stress testing. So we have a dedicated performance test engineer. They actually they have been doing all this, the non-functional like performance testing. I don't know what they're doing because they actually provide us a status update after their testing, and that's also happened in the workshop as well.